Tasha's channel. Yeah. Hey YouTube viewers. I know I'm always laying down when I'm making my YouTube videos, but this was a requested video, so I'm gonna try to make it short, sweet, but to the point. Somebody was talking to me about somebody that they like or whatever, and not just one person, but they was just saying in general how dudes can be straight up beep holes and just be dumb. We'll call him the pink lip monkey, okay? Pink lip monkey is a nasty guy, okay? Y'all gotta watch out for him. Got pink lips. Just cause a dude come up to you and appear like he's the sweetest thing in the world don't mean he is, okay? I've been told that all men are dogs, but duly know there are some good men out there, okay? There are good men out there, okay? So, just remember that the pink lip man, he stank, he dirty, he nasty, he lie, he cheat, and he'll tell you he don't got a girlfriend when he do, okay? He will tell you that, okay? He will. And for future reference, he got a girlfriend, so don't think he don't, okay? This is not a video from me, but it's a video from somebody else. But duly note that your pink lips do not turn them on. They let you know that you ugly, okay? And they don't like it. You're nasty, you stink, you're dirty, and you're just a doggish young man, okay? Get it together. Get your lines in order. Get your mind straight. Do what you need to do for yourself so that way you can, better your life instead of lying to women and telling women, oh yeah, I like you and I think we're going to go far in life, when you really mean, I just want to get in your pants, and that's all I got to say. Deuce's video was made for somebody else, not technically, directing any man, but if you feel like it is, sorry. Just mean that you're a dog. I mean, I feel like a lot of men can be dogs, but at the same time, some are nice. Okay? Some are nice. Okay? Later. Peace. YouTube people, post, subscribe, check me out. I got more videos coming. If you want me to make a video about anything, duly note. Hit me up. You can comment as much as you like. Going back to where I started. This is Tasha's channel. Avery's channel, really. Tasha needed company, though.